Let's start a conversation. I'll be your conversation partner. Let's talk about traveling, hobbies, or any other topic you're interested in. Let me know if you have a preference, or we can just dive in with a general conversation. This conversation covers various topics and gives you a good mix of questions and answers to practice. Feel free to adapt and expand on it as you like. Practicing conversations like this can be very helpful for improving your speaking English. Person A: Hi. How are you doing today? Person B: Hi. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? Person A: I'm doing great, thanks. Have you been up to anything interesting lately? Person B: Actually, yes. I recently started taking up a new hobby. I've been learning how to paint. It's really relaxing and fun. How about you? Any new hobbies? Person A: That sounds wonderful. I've always wanted to try painting. As for me, I've been getting into hiking. I love exploring nature trails on the weekends. Have you ever tried hiking? Person B: Yes, I have. I really enjoy it, especially when the weather is nice. Do you have a favorite hiking spot? Person A: There's this beautiful trail near a lake not too far from my place. It's serene and the view is amazing. What about you? Do you have a favorite place to paint? Person B: I like painting in my backyard. It's quiet, and I can hear the birds singing. It really inspires me. Have you traveled anywhere interesting recently? Person A: I went to a small coastal town last month. The beaches were beautiful, and the seafood was delicious. Have you been on any trips lately? Person B: Not recently, but I am planning a trip to the mountains next month. I'm looking forward to the fresh air and stunning scenery. Do you prefer beach vacations or mountain getaways? Person A: That's a tough choice. I love both, but if I had to choose, I might go with the beach. The sound of the waves is so calming. What about you? Person B: I think I choose the mountains. There's something magical about being surrounded by nature and the tranquility it brings. Have you ever tried any adventure sports? Person A: I've tried a few. I've gone ziplining and whitewater rafting. Both were thrilling experiences. Have you tried any adventure sports? Person B: I've gone skydiving once. It was terrifying but exhilarating at the same time. I would love to try rock climbing next. Do you enjoy watching sports as well? Person A: Yes, I do. I'm a big fan of soccer. I watch matches whenever I can. Do you follow any sports? Person B: I enjoy watching tennis. It's amazing to see the players' skill and endurance. Do you play any sports yourself? Person A: I play soccer occasionally with friends. It's a great way to stay active and have fun. Do you play tennis? Person B: Yes, I play tennis on weekends. It's a good workout and helps me stay fit. Do you have any other hobbies? Person A: I also enjoy reading and cooking. Trying out new recipes is always exciting. What about you? Person B: I love reading too. I'm currently reading a mystery novel. Cooking is something I want to get better at. Do you have a favorite dish you like to cook? Person A: I really enjoy making homemade pasta. It's a bit of a challenge, but it's so rewarding. Do you have a favorite book genre? Person B: I enjoy mystery and science fiction. They always keep me on the edge of my seat. How about you? What's your favorite genre? Person A, I like historical fiction. It's fascinating to see stories set in different time periods. Have you ever thought about writing your own book? Person B, yes, I have. I think it would be fun to write a mystery novel one day. What about you? Would you like to write a book? Person A, definitely. I think I would enjoy writing a travel memoir. Documenting different places and cultures would be amazing. Do you have any travel destinations on your bucket list? Person B, yes, I would love to visit Japan. The culture, food, and scenery are so unique. Do you have a dream destination? Person A, I've always wanted to explore Italy. The history, architecture, and cuisine are so appealing. What's your favorite part about traveling? Person B, I love experiencing new cultures and meeting new people. It broadens my perspective. How about you? Person A, I enjoy trying new foods and learning about different traditions. It makes the world feel more connected. Do you have any travel tips? Person B, always be open-minded and respectful of local customs. Also, don't forget to try local cuisine. Any tips from your experiences? Person A, pack light and always have a backup plan. It's also helpful to learn a few basic phrases in the local language. Any favorite travel memories? Person B, visiting a local market in Thailand was unforgettable. The vibrant colors and delicious street food were amazing. What's one of your favorite memories? Person A, watching the sunset over the Grand Canyon was breathtaking. It's something I'll never forget. Any plans for future trips? Person B, I'm hoping to visit New Zealand next year. The landscapes look incredible. How about you? Person A, I'd like to explore more of Europe. There's so much history and beauty to see. Do you prefer solo travel or traveling with others? Person B, I enjoy both, but traveling with friends can be more fun. Do you usually travel alone or with company? Person A, I like traveling with friends too. It's nice to share the experiences. Any travel goals for the future? Person B, I'd like to visit all 7 continents. It would be an amazing accomplishment. Do you have any specific travel goals? Person A, I want to immerse myself in different cultures and learn from them. It's the best way to grow and understand the world. Any final thoughts on traveling? Person B, traveling opens your mind and heart. It's one of the best ways to learn and grow. Thanks for the conversation. Person A, I enjoyed it too. Have a great day. This conversation covers various topics and gives you a good mix of questions and answers to practice. Feel free to adapt and expand on it as you like. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe.